Hey there, video game design students. This is Mr. Kitchens here. I've got a new example for you for circles of evaluation. I just put a nice quiz out there on your Brain Honey course, so I'm hoping this will help you get some ideas, and especially with the WeScheme code. So here goes. We've got the circle of evaluation, and if you notice, within the circle of evaluation is two other circles of evaluation. But what this is telling us that the primary thing is this plus sign at the top. That's the main function. And this plus sign is telling us that we want to add this number, or in this case, the circle evaluation, to this other one. So over here on the math expression, I'm going to put that plus sign there for this plus sign. And I know I'm going to be doing something in here with parentheses because of this circle evaluation. This guy here says I'm subtracting 12 subtract 8. So I'm going to put my 12 subtract 8. And the other guy is 3. And we got a multiplication there, 3 times 2. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the WeScheme code. So the coding in WeScheme says you start off with the parentheses. So that's the first thing we're going to do. And the first thing that we're going to tell this program, the computer software editor, is that we want to add something. So our function goes first. But then we have to have a space, and then we're going to tell it what we're adding. Well, we're going to basically add these two items here. But each one of these items is its own separate expression that we're going to have to do some coding with. So we're going to actually add this first expression, which is the subtraction. So we're subtracting with a space behind the subtraction sign. We have a 12, and space, and then an 8. So real quickly, we're going to add two things. The first thing is this thing here that we're telling the computer that we want to subtract 8 from 12. So you put the subtraction function sign first. And now, what are we adding to this? Well, we're going to add this second circle evaluation, which we take a space, we do another parentheses, the function is the multiplication, we need a space and a 3, a space and a 2. Close parentheses. So let's also remember we have to have the same amount of parentheses opening as we do closing. So let's count the opening. 1, 2, 3. So we need 2 closings, and we have 1, 2. So we need 1 more. And so this second one kind of matches up with this first one. And then these guys kind of close each other off. And then finally, what does this evaluate to? Well, 12 minus 8 gives us 4. Add it to 3 times 2, which is 6. That evaluates to 10. So that was just one example. Hopefully it'll help you with the little quiz we had out there. Don't stress over it. And also, please use WeScheme when you're doing that quiz. Plug your code into WeScheme and see what happens. It'll be fun. It'll also be a step into more programming. Hope you guys have a nice day.